All right, I want to take another look at Georgetown once again on the Shore All-Sail Skycam just to show that it's still breezy out there and still raining out there as well with those red roadways and waves of heavy rainfall moving through the area. That's going to continue through the rest of the night tonight. Now, I want to talk rain totals just a little bit. The jackpot has been within this red shading where totals of 2 to 3 inches of rain have been observed with locally higher amounts above 3 inches as well. 1 to 2 generally the further north you go, and then southern areas will just haven't been seeing nearly as much rain as areas within this red shading. So certainly northern Delmarva has been hit the most from this event. To crank it the numbers, 1.95 hundredths of an inch right there in Dover. It's probably near 2 inches right now because I took these observations at around 30 minutes ago. 1.37 hundredths of an inch right there in Easton. And as you get towards more southern locations like Wallops and Melfa, really not as much rain to speak of. So with that in mind, we still have a flood watch in effect for northern areas until 4 p.m. tomorrow, just because we could see the lingering effects of runoff from streams or rivers from the excessive rainfall that we're seeing, and gale conditions are still expected through the rest of the overnight. 62 degrees with Chucky and Lewis, 63 with Ted and Millsboro, 62 with Josh and Marion Station reporting half an inch of rain there. So it's still very mild west of the cold front. It's slicing through the peninsula right now. There's going to be a sharp drop in temperatures when this front passes through. Gusty winds shifting to a northwesterly direction as well. We're seeing gusts at around, look at this, a 46 mile per hour gust in Salisbury, 20 mile per hour gust in Cambridge, 31 in Easton right now. So expect gusty conditions through the rest of the overnight tonight. And we also see a very heavy rainfall. Let me go back there for a sec. Very heavy rainfall across the area, and we're expecting that to continue through the rest of the night tonight. So let's time it out for you on Futurecast right now. 12:30 a.m. Still heavy rainfall. Notice how the rain snow line, as the cold air tries to get into the region, tries to make it into our area. I don't think it gets in there quite yet, but we could still see a couple of wet snowflakes throughout the area Monday morning. Now, this is at 8:30 a.m. It's going to be drying out, and by the afternoon hours, we're expecting a good amount of sunshine. It's still going to be on the breezy side as well, though, with gusts at around 20 to 30 miles per hour at times. And in terms of the amount of rainfall we could see for the rest of the night, a little over an inch for all of us. So areas that have seen 3 inches of rain could see 4, maybe even 5 inches of rain. So that's something to keep in mind. With the wind gusts, they're going to be gusty throughout the overnight tonight, but this is 10:30 a.m. on Monday, still 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts. And then they will be subsiding gradually through the afternoon on Monday. And then I think by Monday evening, we're going to be in the clear. And by Monday night, winds will be subsiding greatly. Tuesday will be a calmer day. So 35 to 40 degrees. Notice how cold it gets with that sharp temperature drop as the cold front moves through. Still looking at gusts around 30 to 40 miles per hour, as you saw in Salisbury with the gust at 46 miles per hour. 47 to 52 for tomorrow for the daytime highs. So it's certainly going to be a cooler day. Some showers during the morning, could be a few wet snowflakes in the mix, but no accumulations with that. Gusts at around 35 miles per hour. At times on the bridges, Carpet Care, Dock Walkie forecast yellow pause during the morning, and then there'll be green pause during the afternoon. Now, we still have a gale watch in effect for our water sides on Monday just because it's going to be breezy throughout the day, but then again, winds will be subsiding by the evening. So Tuesday, the winds subside, sunny skies, cool temperatures in the upper 40s, 50 degrees by Wednesday. Cooler on Thursday, 45 degrees for the daytime high. Still a lot of sunny skies into Friday, and then by the weekend, a few more clouds thrown into the mix. We're looking at temperatures warming up though, getting into the mid-50s by Saturday, and perhaps even warmer by Sunday, looking at temperatures rising back into the upper 50s by the time we get to this upcoming weekend. Asia?